I'm Nick Gamp, and we're driving into Kings Canyon National Park today. Let's get exploring. So today we adventure into Kings Canyon National Park. We started with sunrise on the road because the panoramic viewpoint was closed. We went during Memorial Weekend. I think that they're gonna open it later this weekend. After sunrise, we drove into Kings Canyon. We took the Kings Canyon Scenic Byway. The river was looking real nice since it's early summer, so all the snow melts going full blast right now. Our first official stop was GRIZZLY Falls. It's a pull-out spot. It's a walk-up waterfall, which is really nice. You can just see it from the road if you wanted to. After that, we went to our most favorite spot in Kings Canyon, Roaring River Falls. This is a must-stop if you're road tripping through Kings Canyon. The waterfall was spitting out, and the little cove area is like emerald green, so it looked really nice. After Roaring River Falls, we drove further down the road. We took a little hike through ZUMWALT Meadows. It's a little loop. One thing you want to know is that the loop is closed at the end. It's a washboard, so you have to hike back the same way you hiked through. The meadow is beautiful. We took some time, just hung out there. The ZUMWALT Meadows hike is 1.5 miles round trip. After ZUMWALT Meadows, we drove to Rhodes End to visit MUIR Rock. It's a short walk from Rhodes End parking lot to MUIR Rock. This place is great for families, and if you're looking for solitude, I recommend going in the early morning or going in the evening. After hanging out in the awesome canyon, we drove back out to go to HUME Lake to go paddleboarding. It's located in Sequoia National Forest, but it's super close. The boundaries are right next to each other. And if you're looking for a way to cool off or just hang out by a lake, HUME Lake is the way to go. After paddleboarding on HUME Lake, we went to Grant Grove on our way out, and this is where the second largest tree resides. It's called General Grant Tree. This tree is huge. The trail to get to General Grant Tree is wheelchair accessible, friendly for all ages, and great for families. Thanks for adventuring with me today in Kings Canyon National Park. This park is a lot quieter than the other two parks, which is why I love it. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button for more national parks, hiking, smash that like button. If you don't follow me already on Instagram and TikTok, I post on there every day, hiking content, epic adventure content. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.